हेलो नमस्कार। आज आम कंप्यूटर चैनल विषय जानिबा पार्ट 1 अच्छे। प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन रे मो चारिटा नेका ऑप्शन देछि ता भीतर जोंटा ठीक सेटा वायलेट कलर रे लिखा हैछि। आज आसंतु पढिबा। व्हिच प्रोटोकॉल इज यूज्ड टू रिसीव ईमेल? ऑप्शन बी पॉप 3। व्हिच कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम कन्वर्ट असेंबली लैंग्वेज टू मशीन लैंग्वेज? ऑप्शन सी assembler. In which year @ was first chosen for its using email address? Option D 1972. Who is also known as the father of Indian supercomputing? Vijay Bhatkar. A folder in Windows computer cannot be made with the name of option B con. A computer use which type of number system to calculate and to store data? Option C binary. Who is known as the father of supercomputing? Seymour Cray. Option D. Who created the C programming language? Option B Dennis Richard. When NASSCOM National Association of Software and Services Company was established? Option A 1988. What is the extension type of Excel 2007 file? Option B .xlsx. The maximum number of rows supported by the Excel 2007 spreadsheet is 10,48,576. Option D. Which one is the text editor for Microsoft Windows? Option D Notepad. The basic unit of Excel spreadsheet where we enter data in called? Option C cell. The maximum number of rows supported by Excel 2003 spreadsheet is 65,536. Which one is default word processor for Microsoft Windows? Option C WordPad. Who is known as father of internet? Option C Vinod Cerf. Which one is the first high-level programming language? Option C Fortran. Which one is the first word processor application? Option D WordStar. What is the maximum size of Word document created? Option B 32 MB. What is the maximum number of primary partition that can be created on a hard disk? Option C 4. What is the binary value of A? Option D 01 00001. Which one is the current fastest computer in India? Option C Sahasar T. India's first supercomputer Param 80,000 was installed in? Option B 1991. Who developed Java programming language? Option A James Gosling. Total number of function keys in a computer keyboard? Option B 12. Which one is the latest release of Windows client operating system? Option D Windows 10. Linux is an example of? Option C operating system. Which one is vol- volatile memory in the computer system? Option B, RAM. 1 terabyte 1 TB is equal to 1024 GB. Which operating system is developed and used by Apple? Option C, iOS. Which key combination used to permanently delete a file or folder? Option A, Shift plus Delete. Which is an input device? Option C, mouse. A common boundary between two computer systems is known as option C, interface. Which one is the first search engine in internet? Option B, Archie. Number of bit used by the IPv6 address. Option C, 128 bit. Which one is the first web browser invented in 99? Option D, Nexus. Which one of the following is not an computer language? Option B, Lotus. Which one is used for making presentation file from Microsoft Office package? Option D, MS PowerPoint. Network interface card NIC is generally used for option A, connectivity. Which of the following programming language is used to create program like alphabet? Option C, Java. First computer virus is known as option B, Creeper virus. Which one programming language is exclusively used to artificial intelligence? Option D, Polang. Which web browser is developed by the Google? Option D, Chrome. Which web browser is provided default with a window machine? Option B, IE by Internet Explorer. Mark Zuckerberg is the owner of option A, Facebook. Firewall is computer used. Option A, security. A dual layer Blu-ray disc can store data up to option D, 50 GB. Which of the following is not an operating system? Option C. Which of the following is not a database management software? Option D, COBOL. 1024 bit is equal to how many bytes? Option B, 128 bytes. Mac operating system is developed by which company? Option B, Apple. Where is the headquarters of Microsoft Office located? Option D, Washington. .gif is an extension of option A, image file. Which one is the first fully supported 64-bit operating system? Option C, Linux. Computer hard disk was first introduced by introduced in 1956 by option D, IBM. Which of the following is not a web browser? Option C, Facebook. Which one of the following is a programming language? Option B, HTML. जदि आपको ए भिडियोटी भल लगी सब्सक्राइब लाइक शेयर कमेंट आउ आपण नुआ नुआ भिडियो देखापी यही चैनल टाको सब्सक्राइब करने को भूलिए ना। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।